there. Alright. I think it's like 10, you can call it each, so this is gonna be annoying. Please open up better. Oh, it's been so long since I've opened up a pack. Okay. Zubat, Meditite, Duraludon, Rayquaza, Creepy, Lucario. That's a hit for the pack. Oh my god, I got the SAR. Oh, oh, okay. On the first pack too, okay. That's the rare one that I was talking about. Could you take that out of the... Oh, this is one of the ones I wanted too. Oh, what? Thank you. Oh, what the hell? I think this one's $50 right now. Oh, wow. Okay, so it was worth it. That thing's beautiful. The hell? It's the Frostlass. And then we also got the Lucario on the side, which also looks nice here. You can take a look at that. You take a look at the SAR too. That, now I feel happy. Now I feel happy. Because you know what's funny is that there's still one of the mega hits in the box, like the mega arts, because doesn't count as it, even though it's a mega evolution. So that was, I feel great. I actually feel really good because we still have like 9 packs. We still have 9 packs of this, so this could be like really nice. I didn't expect it to be behind the Lucario, but I mean, okay, I still remember there's like a secret rare in here too to get, so Vanillish, Misdreavus, Karkle, Darmanitan, Sneasel, Articuno, Frostmoth, Mewtwo, and okay. Not too bad. Put that off to the side. Pretty sure the EXs are still worth a little bit too in these things, so there's no way. Okay, I'm gonna have to open it upside down then. There's one. It's like the little tab. Okay, it's not. I might need scissors. Unless I can. Is there a tab on there? Yeah, there is a tab. It's meant to be pulled. Okay. That off to the side. Dracloak, Duskull, Darmaka, Wooloo, Honchkrow, Togekiss, Darmaka again, the regular Frostlass, and just a regular Frostlass and the trainers. Okay, first pack was great. These ending packs probably going to be even better because we're still missing our Mega card and ARs, as I already said. You're enjoying watching this, right? Yeah. Diglett, Kirlia, Numel, Heliolisk. I forgot what his name is. Kilowattrel. Oh, okay. Oh, man. And into the Zacian. Oh, man. Great, another one of these. It's from top. We're just pulling out. I'm just getting the expensive cards right now. Because this one was the $10 one, too. Wow. I'm just getting lucky today. Today's just that day. We also got the Zacian. Pretty sure that's like $2. How many packs we got left? We have a whole 6 packs left. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. put all the... Thank you. Okay. We're halfway through the boxes because this is pack number 5 now. Helioptile, Silcoon, Execute, Pecker Run, Kingambit, Dusknoir, Golbat, Pheasantipity, and that's it. Alright. It's fine. That's fine. I already pulled what I want, so I'm happy. Unless there's a second SAR in here. That's very low chance of it happening, though. I'd go crazy, though, if there was. Pack number 6. Zorua, Dynamo, Spectrier, Tapu Koko, Lunatone. Oh, yes! Yes! It's one of the ones I wanted too. And behind it, Dragapult. Thank you. Okay, now there should still be an SR in here and the Mega card and one more illustration. 1 or 2 more. Okay. Whoa, that one's weird. There we go. I don't know why I'm not pulling the tabs on these that they automatically have. Dratini, Murkrow, Dwebble, Buffalon, Entei, Roserade, Pangoro, no, Ceruledge, and that's it. Okay. Honestly, the Ceruledge is $4 actually, which is kind of surprising for a regular EX. I completely forgot about the Dracolites I left down there. Okay, Snorunt, Charcadet, Wurmple, Pangoro, Reshiram, Trevenant, the other Trevenant, the good one, and Latios EX. Man, I'm just getting all the ones I wanted out of this today. I'd be getting lucky. Like I was on fishing last night. Yeah, you're gonna have a look at that one. You can also have a look at the Snorunt and the Zekrom if you want. I'd be getting the pirate's treasure. Alright. Zigzagoon, Togetic, Electric, Spiritomb, Emboar, Zeraora, Dusclops. Oh my god! This is an expensive one too in the set. Oh, the Mega card. And there's nothing behind it, so I'll pull another one of these. You can take a look at that one. That's nice. Okay, so that means we're just missing the secret rare for the set, or for the box. The secret rare, and that's it. Unless it'd be funny if there was none, because it was replaced by the SAR. Last pack. Last pack. Yanma, Slugma, Golbat, Cramorant, Zekrom, Snorunt. There's the SR, and it's one of the not good ones. And Zoroark. Yeah. You're probably not going to sleeve that. I am. It's a lie. Give me that. Sorry, all creamy. Kind of wish I got one of the other SRs for the box, but it's fine. Even though this Ultra Ball is worth like 26 cents. Very pretty. So many EXs and a whole bunch of cards now. Loki went insane. I can stop this now.